viewers and subscribers right again. So, Foota hype go off crazy. Kick down Spice, rough up Shensia, and call out Vybz Kartel. Lord fire, wagwan. We don't say this thing I get out of hand in a break it, guys. Foota hype to take a day off. Anyway, the viral bar. People make sure so no do want to feel already. So, here we are talking about it now. So, Foota hype I say, boy, right now, if you see one post afloat across the internet, and none other person like all of the posts them. And then just any post. These posts, you don't know when the breeze blow and the limb them and shake them and say them post the kind of shake. So, you don't know say, Foota hype have a scanner to detect anything shaky, any shaky movement, any fragile movements. It go pick up and the detector go off and the effort start. Smash it like SJ with there. Once it's like say Jeffrey obsessed with the fishy activity, Virgin. Like we see a lot of Virgin on the internet as it's like them Virgin are just get comfortable and we and just make the cat them just drive. Every Virgin say like them are Manchester Bell or something. Pick up the Virgin. Pick up the Rasta cause right now, yeah, me have to strike all the light Virgin. Put down all the studio Virgin. Cause YouTube, we don't know what going on there. Cause jam jam. No, Jeffrey. Yeah, Jeffrey strikes again. What twins have to say about this episode? That's what I want to know, guys. Is this a termite? That's what, yo, bro. This is what I want to know, people, because currently, we need to know. We need to know, Virgin. Like, is this a termite? Is this considered a termite, that junker, rat, but what species we speak about? Because as far as I hear, something left to discover called unbelievable. And the nerve of Jeffrey. My you didn't lead for God church by now, man. Gonna see what go on. Right? Foota I swear to God say him will never ever play back on the Valiant if Valiant no cut off Jeffrey. No cell phone call. We are talking about none. No virgin. God, I did that me say can't get a rhythm from DJ man. Virgin and thing I go too far right now. People have here mix up bro. So Foota I pass your Shensia fault, cause from Shensia to go up on the radio station. And I thought about say boy, we don't know what Shensia say, Virgin. And I have to say that on a problem. You see me? We don't know what the woman say, I wanna go and like so no one come hear that. We don't know so already I go on. Wow, yo, you know what? Keep it thing on a level. Yeah. So but I have none of that, brother. The man blood pressure gone through the roof. You see me? Yeah, so I also make them good have Foota hype right now on a helicopter bring him got the closest hospital right now. I gotta make Foota hype pressure go through the roof, brother. I don't know man collapse, brother. You know have to cut down on the shaky thing, brother. Cause see the man I say right now, Spice go make one post. Right? Remember, you know, man I blame Shenty already, man. Don't run Shenty through the wood chip about a couple 4 times, you see me? I mince up that, you see me? So I put out I say right now, if we not gonna let the business run by some shaky thing. My God. So you tell me, say no. Foota hype scan through the internet and find out say the world boss like a certain post when woman post and a certain post never fit with Foota hype expectation of what a post supposed to be considered to be as a post. And Foota hype I say it need a repost. People, Foota hype I say the post is shaky here, sir. Words are Foota hype. So this is what me want. So Shensia start all of this. Jeffrey have some explanation for that. I think Jeffrey need for I can't send him to a priest because him not ready to move like we're not too sure. We're not sure. If your next episode, people start things them we have to cover up on the internet, but you might tell a star and a man can't say a man not talk about a man certain your virgin if a man forward and say certain things. People have to can't even talk about them things upon the program, that the program people, the program. Stick to the program. Sure, sure. How when the breeze blow out the link, then we get shaky, bridging. Jam, bro. Column, firm up, brother. You see, this is the moment where we link up popcorn and just why the whole program. Why? Why, Jeffrey? Why? When I hear Jeffrey, just say why? Why now? You know what I'm saying? The first guest we got have forward on the podcast. Yo, burn up this podcast thing. We probably have to send Jeffrey. Why? Yo, so you are gonna know. On the truth cast already. You want to man, at the vibe cast. See me? How you want? This ana like a little stuck up. See me, that I try showing you know, see it? And this you know I make this people on the thing already. Listen. You are gonna keep the thing on a level. People make tell you already. Keep the thing to the thing at a level on a like because I'm like gonna figure out say, yeah. I mean see man, gonna figure out. You are going on man. You are going on man. They want the thing to turn the thing in a little messy thing and we don't roll like that. The shot at them don't roll like that. And I have to remember this in the family. See, everything on us we. You see me? Don't make that fly over your head. Everything on us we. And that's why I mean I understand say we can't over Foota hype not take a day off. God Bridget, we don't have time to cover everything. Especially when I some shaky thing. Fam, what? Need to tell me say we not nothing else we not another interest in nothing good. I just I wouldn't want nobody I forward with them personal little kinky life I want forward and feel like say it's okay if it's just forward and just spread your stuff over here. So brother I wouldn't want to know. Alright? And we such a man. Da. See the thing is now, we never watch the program. But as far as me I hear boy mama like you broke out Jeffrey. I look like you did broke out already. As a confession. But yeah, no one curse. Star. Yo, somebody get an invitation for Jeffrey and send him my closest church. And see if LA Lewis can do something for him guys. You would need help, Bridget. The most confusing program, Bridget, I forget. After this, bro, we play him Shensia, yeah, sir.